everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make any song your ringtone on your Android phone. So what you want to do is go on over to the Google Play Store right here, and we want to get this app called Zedge. So go to search and type in Zedge and go to search. And go on down, go to Zedge Wallpaper and Ringtones and install this. Now this is completely free, you don't have to pay for anything, just accept the permissions and hit the cross in the top right. So this is installing right now, and then we can open this up and just follow what I do, and then you don't have to pay for anything. So you might have to accept some permissions on here. I'm going to agree, opt out, hit X, not now, then hit X in the top right. Now we want to go to search and search for ringtones. So scroll up, go to search, and type something in. So I'm just going to type in Halo. So Halo theme, that's good enough for me. Then we want to go to ringtones right here. Select this. Then we got the Halo theme, so I can select it here. Then go to download. You can listen to it too if you want. We can go to download. Now you can set it as your ringtone right here, or you can set it for a contact. Usually I just go by contacts. So we can go to set ringtone, accept the permission, and this should be our new ringtone. And you can do the same thing for your contacts, just go throughout, the different songs, and it's good to have custom ones. So you can find this as your ringtone if you go to settings and just double check. So it should be under like sound and vibrations. So we can go to ringtone right here, Halo theme version 1. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.